Changing your primary email on MetLife is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the MetLife website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find email preferences. In account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to view current email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Locate the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space and ensure it is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure that your new email is now set as your primary contact. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your inbox and follow any additional instructions if needed.